Some warning signs from your car can probably wait until tomorrow, but there are others you should never ignore. A strange noise from the brakes, a badly worn tire, a brake pedal that suddenly feels different, or a warning light on your dashboard might seem like small problems, but in certain situations they can turn into serious mechanical failures or even cause you to lose control of your vehicle. My name is Gustavo, welcome to Gus Fix It, and today we're going to talk about 7 warning signs from your car that you should never ignore, because paying attention to them could actually save your life. Stay until the end because some of these might seem obvious, but there are others that many drivers ignore for months. If you enjoy simple automotive videos and want to learn how to maintain and repair your own vehicle, subscribe to the channel. And if you learn even one new thing from this video, please give it a like. It really helps me continue making this kind of content. Let's get started. Number 1. Worn, cracked, or damaged tires. This first one might seem obvious, but it's probably one of the most important things you should check on your vehicle: your tires. A lot of people wait until a tire is practically bald before replacing it, and that's a big mistake. The tread on your tires is designed to channel water away and help maintain contact with the road. As the tread wears down, especially when driving in the rain, your risk of losing traction and hydroplaning increases significantly. But tread depth isn't the only thing you should inspect. Take a look at the sidewalls as well. If you notice cracks, cuts, bulges, or any kind of deformation, don't ignore it. A bulge on the sidewall can indicate internal structural damage to the tire, which increases the risk of tire failure. You should also pay attention to uneven tire wear. If one part of the tire is completely worn, while another section still has plenty of tread, you could have an alignment problem, worn suspension components, or incorrect tire pressure. And remember something important: a tire can still have plenty of tread and be too old to safely use. Check the manufacturing date and inspect the overall condition of the rubber. Your tires are literally the only 4 points of contact between your vehicle and the road. It's not worth taking the risk. Number 2. Squealing, scraping, or grinding noises when braking. If you start hearing a high-pitched squealing noise whenever you apply the brakes, pay attention to it. Many brake pads have a small metal wear indicator designed specifically to make a squealing sound when the brake pad is approaching the end of its usable life. Basically, your car is telling you, "Check my brakes." If you continue driving and eventually start hearing a much louder metal-on-metal grinding noise, the situation could be considerably worse. The friction material on the brake pad may be completely worn away, allowing the metal backing plate to make direct contact with the brake rotor. At that point, you're no longer talking about simply replacing brake pads. You could seriously damage the rotors and, more importantly, compromise your vehicle's braking performance. Also pay attention if the steering wheel vibrates when braking, if the vehicle pulls to one side, or if it suddenly takes more distance to stop. Your brakes are one of the most important safety systems in your entire vehicle. Never ignore a change in the way they behave. Number 3. A soft or spongy brake pedal. If you press the brake pedal and suddenly notice that it feels spongy, has excessive travel, or starts sinking farther toward the floor than usual, don't just keep driving as if nothing happened. There are several possible causes. You could have air trapped inside the hydraulic braking system, deteriorated brake fluid, a fluid leak, a problem with the brake master cylinder, or another failure somewhere in the braking system. A brake fluid leak is especially important to take seriously. Your braking system relies on hydraulic pressure to transfer the force from your brake pedal to the brakes at the wheels. If that hydraulic pressure is lost, you can lose a significant amount of braking ability. So if the brake pedal suddenly feels different, safely pull over and have the braking system inspected before continuing to drive. You don't want to find out how bad your brakes really are when you need to make an emergency stop. Number 4. ABS, brake, airbag, check engine, oil pressure, or temperature warning lights. Here I want to make an important distinction because not every warning light means the same thing. A yellow check engine light can indicate anything from a relatively minor issue to a problem that requires immediate attention. But a red oil pressure warning, an overheating warning, or a brake system warning deserves much more immediate attention. If your temperature warning comes on and the engine is overheating, continuing to drive can cause severe engine damage. If the oil pressure warning appears, safely pulling over and shutting the engine off quickly could be the difference between fixing a problem and destroying the engine. You also shouldn't ignore ABS, stability control, or airbag warning lights. Your vehicle may appear to drive completely normally, but one or more of those safety systems could be disabled because of a fault. With an airbag warning light, for example, you don't want to discover that the system isn't operating correctly at the exact moment you need it. So if a new warning light appears on your dashboard, scan the vehicle and find out what it means. Don't just cover the light with a piece of black tape. Yes, I've actually seen people do that. Number 5. Smoke, a burning smell, or fluid leaks. If you see smoke or smell something burning, investigate it. Smoke coming from the engine compartment can have several different causes. It could be engine oil leaking onto a hot surface, coolant escaping from the cooling system, an electrical problem, or another fluid making contact with a hot component. And it's also important to understand the difference between smoke and steam. For example, a significant coolant leak onto a hot engine can produce a large amount of white steam. Engine oil leaking onto hot exhaust components can create smoke and that very recognizable smell of burning oil. An electrical problem can produce a very distinctive smell of burning plastic or electrical insulation. You should also look underneath your vehicle where you normally park. A small occasional spot doesn't always mean you have an emergency. But if you notice a puddle that keeps getting larger, you need to figure out what fluid your vehicle is losing, especially if it's engine oil, coolant, or brake fluid. A small leak can turn into a major leak much faster than you might expect. Number 6. Knocking, vibration, or clicking noises from the front of the vehicle. If you hear a repeated click, click, click when turning, especially while accelerating, one of the components you should inspect is the CV joint. A severely worn CV joint can eventually fail and stop transferring power properly to that wheel. But remember, not every front-end noise is caused by a CV joint. A knocking sound could come from a ball joint, tie rod end, control arm bushing, wheel bearing, sway bar link, or another suspension or steering component. If you also notice excessive play in the steering wheel, the vehicle wandering from side to side, new vibrations, or loud knocking noises when driving over bumps, have the front suspension and steering system inspected. Some components simply make noise when they begin wearing out, but others can become a serious safety problem if they fail completely. Never diagnose a component based on sound alone, but don't ignore the fact that your vehicle is trying to tell you that something has changed. Number 7. Windshield wipers, washer fluid, and visibility. This is probably the one most people don't expect me to mention, but it can be extremely important. Something as simple as running out of windshield washer fluid can become a serious problem. Imagine you're driving down the highway and a truck throws mud, dirty water, or road debris directly onto your windshield. Instinctively, you turn on the windshield washers, but the reservoir is empty. The wipers start dragging all that dirt across the glass, and instead of improving your visibility, you can end up with a dirty film across the windshield that makes it even harder to see. At highway speeds, just a few seconds of severely reduced visibility can create a dangerous situation. That's why you should check your washer fluid regularly. You should also inspect your windshield wiper blades. If they leave streaks, skip across the windshield, or simply don't clean the glass properly anymore, replace them. It seems like an insignificant maintenance item until the day you really need them. And those are 7 warning signs from your car that you should never ignore. Many times your vehicle starts warning you long before a component completely fails. A new vibration, a strange noise, a warning light, an unusual smell, or a small leak. The key is paying attention to those changes and fixing the problem before it becomes something serious. Let me know in the comments which one of these warning signs has happened to you and what the problem eventually turned out to be. Your experience might also help someone else dealing with the same issue. And if you learned even one new thing from this video, please give it a like. It really helps me continue creating these tutorials. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to Gus Fix It because I'll continue uploading automotive diagnostics, repairs, and maintenance tips to help you better understand your vehicle, do your own repairs, and avoid wasting money on unnecessary repairs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.